Have you ever sat in front of a blank canvas for far too long? Overthinking, hesitating, questioning your every move? We've all been there. That pressure to make each painting perfect can become overwhelming. But what if I told you, the real growth doesn't come from painting perfectly. It comes from painting often and painting fast. Let's talk about why this simple approach, painting often and painting fast, can be a game changer for your creative journey. First of all, why paint often? Because painting is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. When you paint regularly, your hand gets steadier, your eye becomes sharper, and your intuition grows. You begin to understand your materials better. You learn how paint behaves, how colors interact, how your own style starts to take shape. Think of it this way, if you only paint once in a while, each session comes with pressure. You want it to be great because it might be a while before you paint again. But if you're painting often, suddenly the pressure disappears. Each painting becomes part of a larger process, a journey, not a test. Painting often allows you to experiment, to play, to fail and try again. And that's where real growth happens. Now, let's talk about painting fast. Painting fast doesn't mean rushing or being careless. It means making decisions with confidence. It means not getting stuck in the details. It's about capturing the essence, the feeling, the energy, rather than getting caught in perfectionism. When you paint fast, something amazing happens. You bypass the inner critic, that little voice that says, "Is this good enough?" It gets drowned out by action, by momentum. You start painting from your gut, not your fear. And that's where the magic lives. So, how do you actually begin to paint more often and more quickly? Let me give you some practical tips. 1. Set a daily or weekly painting habit. Start small. Maybe you commit to 10 minutes a day or a painting session 3 times a week. It doesn't have to be long. The goal is consistency. Make it part of your routine, like brushing your teeth or making your morning coffee. Two, do quick studies. Instead of focusing on one big, polished piece, do several small ones. Set a timer, 10, 15, 30 minutes. Challenge yourself to complete a full sketch or painting in that time. These studies train your eye to see the essentials and your hand to move with purpose. Three, use a limited palette. Too many color choices can slow you down. Try using just 3 to 5 colors in a session. This keeps you focused and forces creative decision-making. You'll be surprised how many beautiful combinations you can create with a simple palette. Four, don't fix everything. Not every brushstroke needs to be corrected. Sometimes, the imperfect marks are what give a painting its character. Resist the urge to clean up every edge or blend every transition. Let the painting breathe. Five, keep a sketchbook handy. Use your sketchbook as your playground. Fill it with loose ideas, color swatches, thumbnails, and quick gesture drawings. This is your safe space. No pressure, no judgment, just pure expression. 6. Paint from life or photo references in timed sessions. Grab a simple subject, maybe a fruit, a flower, a cup, and paint it in 15 minutes. Or use a photo reference and do a series of timed studies. These quick bursts improve your observation skills and keep your hand moving. 7. Accept that not every painting will be a masterpiece. This one's big. Some paintings will flop. That's okay. It's not failure, it's feedback. The more often and quickly you paint, the more you learn. And the more you learn, the better you become. It's a beautiful cycle of growth. Eight. Focus on the process, not the product. When you paint fast and often, the joy shifts from the end result to the act of painting itself. You start to fall in love with the movement of the brush, the mixing of color, the surprises that happen on the canvas. You stop chasing perfection and start chasing presence. Stick around till the end of the video to learn the art and discover all the tips and techniques that will take your painting skills to the next level.